I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal. My name is Vadini. Today we are going to learn about applications of data science. In my last video, we talked about what is data science. Now, data science, just before starting with the application, data science combines maths and statistics, specialized programming, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning with the specific subject matter which expertise to uncover the actionable insights hidden in an organizational data. So these insights can be used to guide the decision making and strategic planning. A very simple definition again, data science combines expertise in various areas like mathematics, statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge to achieve it. So let's continue with the applications here. What are the applications of data science? Means where data science can be used. Applications in the real applications, let's say in search engines, in transport, in finance, in e-commerce, in health sector. So these are some common uh, applications, but let's see the main combinations where the data science being used. That is like health domain, as we have disease prediction and diagnosis, right? And medical imaging, drug discovery. So these all personalized treatment. So these are the main healthcare where it identifies and predict the diseases and personalize the healthcare recommendations. So this is healthcare where we can use the data science. Then we have finance. In the finance, if we say like finance, we can say that if we want to see the fraud detection, where the data patterns and anomaly detection are used to identify and prevent the fraudulent transaction, any fraud transaction. Then risk management, it is used to predictive models to assess the credit risks. Then we have the algorithmic trading, where trading we use the real time data and the algorithms being used. Then customer analytics, where the bank analyze customer data to provide and personalize offers and improve the services. The third one nowadays, it's very in boom, which is e-commerce and retail, the recommendation systems, where in the data science what it used to do is personalize the product suggestion based on user behavior and purchase history, what the user wants. It will recommend the same thing. That their data science is being used. And customer segmentation, where it divides the customer into groups of targeting marketing. Then we have price optimization, where dynamic pricing models based on market trends and, and demand forecasting. Inventory management, where predictive analytics to manage stock levels and reduce wastage. The fourth one is transportation and logistics, where route optimization, predictive management, maintenance, demand forecasting, and self-driving cars be used. Then we have manufacturing, where quality control, supply chain optimization, product forecasting, energy efficiency is used. Then we have in the education sector also data science being used, where we used to analyze the student performance, adaptive learning, curriculum design, feedback analysis. Then we have sports and entertainment, where performance analytics, fan engagement, game strategy, broadcast optimization. So there are many applications, many fields where the data science is used. This is also very important nowadays, like government and public services, where crime protection and prevention, being smart city planning, disaster response, policy making, then architecture, where crop monitoring, soil analysis, weather forecasting, market forecasting, etc. be used. Then social media and marketing, sentiment analysis, like what is the public opinion, whatever what is in the public demand, trend detection, then we have ad targeting, then content optimization. So these are some like very important like applications and the use cases. These are some use cases just for the example it's been given. So we'll continue with this video. In our next video, we'll learn some use cases of for the businesses where data science applications been used. All right. Thank you so much for your time. To like and subscribe the channel.